This video is only for fun. Don't take it seriously.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will do the funny and craziest thing ever in Photoshop. I intend to make Hulk as a Superman. Okay, let's make it. First of all, we have to make the greenish guy something to dark blue. After that, what should I do?
Give him a cape, you idiot.
Oh, I really forget it. Let's walk the cape. And then some crazy adjustments. Some shadows. Some buttons. And also some shadows on buttons. And then what?
Add the logo in his chest, you jerk.
Let's add the Superman logo on Hulk's chest. Just add it accordingly. And some blend if. Any other things? Yes, a hat for him. Okay, hat, why not a cowboy hat? This is fantastic. And some shadows in hat. Also in the Hulk's head. Now it's looking realistic and funny. Let's drop a background and blend the new Super Hulkman into it. Some adjustment and some shadows for the ground. And I think that's it for today. What the hell is that? A new superhero? If you enjoy my overall content, then like this video and subscribe my channel.